Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, we are looking at how to make $2,000 per week driving for DoorDash, looking at how many hours you need to drive. We're gonna break down a driver who's hit $2,000 per week with DoorDash. How many deliveries do you actually need to do to hit that number? And what are some strategies with, maximizing your tips and also maximizing getting higher delivery amounts, because there's no way you can hit 2,000 bucks with just getting those short little $4 or $5 deliveries. So we're gonna break down some secrets on how to get the most amount of money for your time when delivering food, okay? Before we jump in, if you're looking for a new way to make money, there's an incredible opportunity to make money right now, right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. It's something I've been doing for over 5 years now. It's how I was able to buy this house that I'm sitting in Southern California. And I wanted to show you guys, this is on one of my YouTube channels. So far this year, I've been averaging over $10,000 per month. It's only May, and if you just go to 2023, last year, I brought in over $10,000 per month as well. Some days hitting over $1,000 in a single day, and sometimes hitting over 2,000 bucks in a day. So if you want to learn how to set up your own faceless YouTube channel, I have a membership group down below with course material and also a group chat. There's a 30-day free trial right now, so you can sign up and try it out for free. And if you like it, you can stay and get all the updated material. I will help get you monetized, help hopefully change your life. I've already taught people in my own life how to do it, so now I'm teaching you guys too. So click the link below to start your own faceless YouTube channel. And yeah, like I said, I used to be doing DoorDash, food delivery, Uber, Lyft. I was in credit card debt. I've been there, but faceless YouTube channels changed my life. Okay, let's get started with 2K a week with DoorDash. So this comes from a YouTuber called More Driven. I watched some of his videos, so shout out to him. Let's watch him.
I've only ever made $2,000 in a week twice.
So first of all, let's look at what he's doing. 2,224, and you can see he actually made more money in tips than DoorDash. So all those customers out there saying, oh, I don't need to tip my driver, that's DoorDash's responsibility. Well, fair point. DoorDash should be paying more. However, if you take a look at this driver made more money on tips than the pay. So maybe you should tip your driver more, because that's how they make more money. $991 in pay, and then customer tip $12.11. So really quick math here. He did 112 hours in a single week. That's actually crazy. 112 divided by 7, around 16 hours a day. So basically nothing else besides DoorDashing and sleeping. But I guess the active time was only 87. I don't really know what the difference is, but it seems like those would be synonymous. But 12 hours of active time. So if you're only getting paid the amount from DoorDash, divide that by 112 hours, you're really only making, $8 an hour. But if you take into consideration all the tips, 2,224 divided by 112, you're making around 20 bucks an hour. And that's the active time, or that's the dash time. I don't know really the difference between dash time and active time, and then we can real quickly do the dollar amount divided by the delivery amount. So he made around $7.50 average per delivery. So interesting numbers here. Let's keep watching.
$1,000 in a week twice in my entire almost 5 years of door dashing. And that's because it is extremely hard and extremely exhausting. But I'm here to tell you that it is possible. I'm going to be...
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely... Yeah, tip number one, find a good market. That's true. You can't really do this in, rural Timbuktu, Idaho. You gotta be in like a major city where it's busy, where there's tons of restaurants. Oh, this is super important. This is a reason why this guy is able... This is a huge secret that I actually order a decent amount of DoorDash. Like every couple days I'll order lunch or dinner just to offset my cooking time, because for me personally, I work at home. You know, I do Faceless YouTube channels and TikTok shop and all this stuff. Shout out to my TikTok shop course down below as well. I'll teach you how to make money. That's an incredible course. There's a really easy way to make money on TikTok shop right now, just promoting little products like this digital camera right here, for instance. I'm not selling you this camera, but I'm selling you on my course below. There's a 30-day free trial for that too. Check that out.
Bags galore.
If you,
I'm talking as many DoorDash bags as
if you use these guys, so like I said, I order a lot of DoorDash. When I order pizza, for instance, or if I order something hot, they never ever, you know, and I see them because I see them walking up. They never have them in the hot bags, all right? A lot of times I get pizza and it arrives cold, okay? So this guy, simply by using a hot bag, you know, that's a one-time, and I don't know if you can buy these or what. I know you can buy like third-party ones, but that little investment could make you, you know, thousands of dollars just by getting a little hot bag. Because look at his look how many tips he got. Remember, guys,
I've only ever made 2,000.
He got 1,200 bucks in tips. So that $10 investment, let's go on Amazon real quick and just say, how much is a hot bag? For food delivery, yeah, 20 bucks. Let's see, you don't need to buy a really fancy one. Hot bag for food delivery. Dang, are they really $20? I was hoping I could find a cheaper one. This one's 15 bucks. This one actually has really good reviews, 74%. So yeah, you could get one for 15. Or I'm sure you could find a cheap, yeah, this one's a 12, 11.97. This one, or 11.99. This one actually has really good reviews as well. So yeah, you can invest 11.99 or 13.99. Oh, here's two of them, but yeah, the reviews on here suck. You want to make sure they have good reviews, guys. Anytime you buy on Amazon, make sure it has over 70% reviews, or else it's probably junk. But yeah, 12 bucks, and then your investment is 12. Your return could be up to 1,200. So that's like a 10x return, right? No, 100x return. 12 bucks times 100 is 1,200. So anyways, hot bags. Get a phone mount. Yeah, obviously you need a phone mount. No surprise there. We have a link below to our Amazon affiliate to get get a phone mount as well. Have a car charger. Obviously, that's a no-brainer. I mean, the phone mount is just so you're not fiddling on your phone and you just keep it mounted so you can do quick deliveries. It is a safety thing, but it's also like, it just makes your driving experience way more seamless, so you're not looking down at your phone all the time. Just, you want to have your phone up here, so you're driving and then you just, boom, address, go. Boom, address, go. You don't want to be like, oh, where's my address? Like scrolling, looking down, driving. Like, having a phone mount, again, really, car charger, cash on delivery. Oh, what's this?
Go into your app and switch on cash on delivery. Now, I know for some of you guys out there, this might not be possible because maybe you live in a sketchier area and this...
I didn't know that cash on delivery was the thing. Download Solo app. Yep, use our link below. When you use our link below to get the Solo app, guys, you're gonna get $10 when you link your gig app. So we're actually on here somewhere. Yep, that's me, the Rideshare Hub. Or where's so if you click our link down below, basically they have a pay guarantee where if you go out and do DoorDash like here, they're gonna guarantee that you make 20 bucks and 30 cents in that hour. And let's say you go out to do DoorDash and you only make like 6 bucks, they're gonna pay you $14 difference. So it's actually, Solo's really good for DoorDashers in particular because sometimes it's really slow. Pizza delivery program, be a top dasher, content to watch and listen, a car with good gas mileage. Yeah, that's really important, guys. You do not want to be using a freaking new car. I would honestly say that this advice, this is gonna be, because I want to, you know, be honest, this is kind of, you know, I wouldn't say just look for a car with good gas mileage. I would say get a car that's older. You don't want to use if you're using a newer car to do Uber, guys, you're basically gonna, all the money you're making, quote unquote making.
In my entire almost 5, I've only ever made 2,000.
All the money that you're making, it's gonna go to just paying for your car. If you're using a new car, the value of your car is going to be dropping. Does that make sense? So let's say you go out and buy, you know, a 2024 Prius, let's just say, and you're spending, you know, 30K on this car. Out the door, you're looking at what, 30, 33, 34, after, probably more closer to 34, 35 out the door. If you're spending 35,000 bucks on a Prius or on a car, think about what it's going to be worth when that one has 20,000 miles. Think about what it's going to be worth in a year, in just a year. Let's say it has 150,000 miles, 150K miles. Well, your trade-in value, and that's what the dealership sells it for you. When you go to, you know, trade in your car, this is a really good practice you can do, guys, is take the car that you have now. Take the car that you have now and go type in your car, like, let's 2 years in the future. So like, let's say you're driving a 2023 Prius now. All right, go to 2021. Let's say you have a Toyota Prius. And just put the mileage, how many miles are gonna be on your car. So let's just say there's 150,000 miles on it, right? After you drove it for 2 years. And then you can just, you know, see how much you're gonna get for it. And this is going to give you your depreciate. Holy crap, Kelly Blue Book is like, but yeah, your car, you know, your $30,000, $34,000 car, now the trade-in value is only nine grand. That's what you're gonna get when you go trade it in again. So you just lost $25,000 in car depreciation, which is why I recommend buying a used car. Buying a used car, a very used car. I'll just show you guys the car that I bought. This was the car I just bought. I bought this one off Facebook for $5,000 about 2 weeks ago now. It's on one of my TikTok pages.
So today I'm going to be reviewing my brand new car, well, due to me, car that
It's a 2011 Ford Escape. If you know anything about Ford Escapes, these cars tend to last a really long time. And you know, this is a great car to do DoorDash with, because it's you know, like I said, I got it for $5,000 and I could probably sell the thing for like $4,000 in a couple years, you know? That way I only lost $1,000 in car depreciation. And it still has decent gas mileage. It gets you from point A to point B. There's no reason. I mean, buying new cars is the #1 wealth killer in America. You do not want to buy a new car. And also, insurance is a lot cheaper too. That was the one little dent that came on the car. And who cares? The insurance on this car is only $60 a month, because, you know, it's old. It's not worth that much. The insurance companies, you know. So I paid for the car in cash, and the insurance is $60 a month. That's really my only, like, that and gas, and then, you know, getting my oil changes and everything. By the way, before I bought the car, I took it to the Ford dealership for an inspection. I had to pay like $200 for that, but it was worth it, because now I know what's wrong with it and what's not wrong with it. And there ended up being basically absolutely nothing wrong with it, besides, oh, you need to change your filter, your air filter. And I'm like, yeah, everybody says that. Oh yeah, they wanted me to change my windshield wipers and my air filter. I'm like, that's all you guys found? And I made sure to take it to a dealership where they were gonna like try to roast me. Anyways, that's how to make $2,000 a week with DoorDash. Again, if you want to check out my program down below, this is the Faceless YouTube channel program. There's a 30-day free trial right now for the Faceless YouTube channel program and the TikTok Shop Premium program. If you guys are not doing TikTok Shop yet, holy crap, you're missing out on free money. I just make little videos promoting products like this one. promoting this little camera right here. And you just make this little video and people buy the camera and you get a little commission. It's literally easy. Or I made this one using a hair straightener. And people buy the product, guys. This one, these are little vitamins. And I make normal videos too, but like this one, I made a little funny skit with this digital camera. And you don't need to do this. Like, these ones are really easy to make. These faceless ones with the cameras, people tend to like those ones more. I just like making videos, so like, I do all types of videos. This one, I literally put pimple patches on my face. Anyways, if you wanna learn how to make money on TikTok Shop, click the link below, and then also the Faceless YouTube channel program too. That's how I was able to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now. You know, it really changed my life doing Faceless YouTube channel and TikTok, and this is me making over $1,000 in a day on TikTok. As you can see, that was just from today. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. We'll talk soon.